Have you ever thought about starting to run but didn't know where to begin? It's a question that's crossed many minds, and today we're here to help answer it. Starting to run may seem daunting at first, but it's all about easing into it. Don't rush, don't push too hard. The first step is to learn to enjoy running. That's right, running should be about more than just burning calories. It's about feeling good, feeling free. What about gear, you ask? Well, investing in essential running gear is a must. You'll need running shoes, a running watch, and appropriate training clothes. Don't worry, this investment shouldn't break the bank. You can get started for less than $250. Once you're all geared up, it's time to start running, but remember, it's all about gradual progression. Start slow, then increase your running distance and speed gradually. Your initial goal might be to comfortably run 4 to 6 miles once a week in about 40 to 50 minutes. Now, while it's not all about the calorie burn, it's still important to monitor your caloric expenditure. To do this, you'll need to calculate your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, and your activity-related metabolic rate, or AMR. A fitness tracker can be a handy tool to monitor the calories you burn during your runs. Once you're comfortable with one run a week, it's time to introduce a second run into your weekly routine. This run should be of a similar duration as your first run. This brings us to a decision point. This is where you decide on your next steps based on your goals. You could continue increasing distance and pace, or you could explore advanced techniques like high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. This can help enhance fat burning and physical performance. You might even consider signing up for a marathon as a long-term goal. With the basics in place, the focus then turns to continuous improvement. The more you run, the more you'll enhance your fitness level and overall well-being. In essence, starting to run is a journey. It's a journey that begins with a single step and gradually builds up to a lifestyle. So lace up those running shoes and take that first step. Happy running!